welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Jackson Hole Full Sail Restaurant. The Bank of Korea must keep raising interest rates until inflation is in decline, but the central bank likely could not halt its tightening before the U.S. Federal Reserve Governor Lee Chang-yong said on Saturday. In an interview with the Star, Lee also said South Korea's central bank is ready to take steps including intervention to stabilize the won against the dollar if needed. So the bank determined speculative forecasts are causing the currency fall. Press comment on the scheduling of the Jackson Hole Conference of Central Bank in the U.S. state of booming appeal to quiz speculation that the book may be one on the first big central bank to ease off in the global battle against the hotel inflation in decades. Asia's support laggard economy has been in the vanguard of global tightening. The book was among the first central banks to abandon pandemic-era monetary stimulus, raising its key policy rate by 2 percentage points since August last year to 2.5%. Dollar's oppression, driven by Fed rate increases, has added to inflation in many open economies around the world, including South Korea, as the local currency fell in value. We are not independent from government, but we are not independent from the Fed. He said, so if the Fed continues to increase the interest rate, it will have a depression pressure for our currency. At Hope, the book began raising interest rates before the Fed, with its first hike coming a year ago. Whether we can end early, I don't think so. South Korea's inflation is likely the result of outside issues like energy prices, she said. If you ask me whether I'm going to stop, what happens if the oil price crashes again, he said. The very handful used to know the estimate given the importance of the external shock. Even though he expects domestic inflation to cool in August compared with the 6 or 3% rate seen in July, it is too premature to say it has peaked, especially since as winter approaches, gas prices could again rise. The book raised rates by a quarter point at its last meeting and said further quarter point increases will be operated from some time as long as inflation path remains as currently promised. The stopping point, he said, would take on how inflation behaves. At this point, I cannot say we are ahead of the curve, he said. As long as inflation remains high, meaning 4% or 5%, then we will definitely continue to emphasize the normalization of interest rates. I wonder what inflation in South Korea is forecast around 5% by the end of 2022 and falling through 2023. Its central bank, like many others, targets 2% inflation. At Jackson Hole, central banks used exactly the same logic they described their battle against rising price stock. The handling problem is the same. Inflation far above their stability target to success of price pressure and reward the policy response driver among countries. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.